So my retrieve right now is not a walking the dog because it's not on the top water. It's more like, I've heard it said, dragging a cat. I've got my bait on the bottom. I'm kind of pulling my rod across the bow of my kayak, feeling it bounce across the bottom, and then I'm reeling in the slack and just kind of doing that. As I do it, I can feel a bite here and there, trying to set the hook. Probably running into some small croaker or something like that biting at my jig, but that's okay. I'm going to see what I can get tonight. There we go. What have we got here? What have we got? Something nice, I think. Is that a bluefish? No, little red drum. Little red drum here on the river. Little puppy drum on a jig. Little puppy drum on a jig. Come on, buddy, come over here. That was a nice little attack. That's what we're talking about right there. That's what we're talking about right there on a little jig. There we go. Too small to keep. There we go. Can we get a couple more of those, or maybe something even bigger? I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Let's fix that grub. Dragging the cat. It works. Just drag it across the bottom. Fish sees it, comes and attacks. What have we got here? He's swimming towards me right now. There we go. That's another small redfish. Dragging the cat, I'm telling you. He hit. That's a better fish, I think. Still not big enough to keep, I don't think. Gotta be 18 inches. Come here, buddy. Yep, that jig right there in the top of the mouth. We'll get that out of there and measure you. Yep. Got to measure on the paddle. So he's right around 14, 15 inches. Another nice fish. And there he goes. When you're out there and the bite is kind of slow, get a bait on the bottom and drag the cat. Get a bait down there and then just drag it across the bottom, reel in the slack, feel that tug, set that hook. I'm telling you, drag the cat. It works. Until next time, tight lines.